So guys, today we again come with informative video. Today we will make this like our capsicum potato gravy in Indian style. So for this we already took this all ingredients, like for example we take capsicum, onion, green chili, tomato, this our potato. Whole spices is optional. You can cumin seed and this cloves and cardamom. You will put, so taste will be good. It's optional, okay. And then little yogurt also. This yogurt you will put, so will taste will be good. And in spices we took like green coriander. We will took like 1 spoon, half a spoon red chili powder, black pepper half a spoon, and cumin powder half a spoon. And this mixed spices you can took 2 spoon, and turmeric powder half a spoon, and salt to taste. Oil we took already, and this water, as you show, I will show you how is accordingly. So all this ingredient we will do this. And we took this our ginger garlic paste also. We already make this ginger garlic paste, so we will put ginger garlic. So I will show you step by step. Okay, first what we will do, first we will cut our this potato and capsicum, will saute, and we will make gravy of onion, ginger garlic paste and tomato will gravy. Then we will put with all spices, we will put our gravy. Then we will put our this capsicum and potato sauteed in our gravy. So I will show you step by step. So please see this video to last. Also you need this all utensil like knife and this like this spoon. You should need this, and tomato paste also. Okay. So I will show you. If you still not subscribe our channel, subscribe also, because in this channel you found informative video we upload daily. So if you will subscribe, you will find every day informative video. So let's start. I will show you. So to make this delicious our capsicum potato, I already took 2 pans. So here we will saute our capsicum, and here we will make our gravy. So we have to wait for heat our oil. Then we will put our this whole spices little, this cumin seed and everything, and then onion, ginger garlic paste. I will show you step by step. And I already chopped this capsicum, so we have to saute this, and onion we have to grind little. Then we will grind our tomato, and then we will put our potato in that gravy. Okay, so we have to grind first this our onion. Okay, so we have to grind our onion first. Okay. So we already grinded our onion. So when this will little bit will put, we will first this whole spice, then onion. Okay. So our already is heated our oil. So you just put your whole spices like cumin seed and this cloves and this little cinnamon stick, and have to mix well, because we will put here our onion also. So I already grinded our onion, so we have to cook this our onion till 5 minutes. Okay, so till 5 minutes we have to cook this your onion, because we will cook till 5 minutes. So this will be cooked. But when this will be little golden brown, we will add ginger garlic paste. Okay. So we have to cook this. Okay. So now we have to grind our tomato also. So tomato you have to grind. Okay. And in this tomato I already put this little spices. Okay. So I already grinded my tomato. Also I put here a little spice also with together. So when this will be ready, so we will put. Okay. So now 5 minutes finished. We have to put little our ginger garlic paste. Okay. So we can put little 2 spoon like this. Okay. And have to mix well. Okay. Like this. Then we will add here our spices after 5 minutes. Cook this, then spices. Then we will add our this tomato which we grate with a little spice. Okay. Minute already finished. I already put all spices which I showed you, like chili and this turmeric and everything. So now we have to mix well, and again 5 minutes you have to cook. Then we will add our tomato paste, tomato puree, then our potato here. Okay. So again 5 minutes we have to wait for this. So now this 5 minutes already finished. We put our tomato paste with gravy. Okay, you just put this one and have to mix well. Okay, tomato puree I put already in this, and now you have to cook till maybe 5 to 10 minutes. Then we will add our this potato here. Okay. So now this 5 minutes already finished. So we put our this potato here and have to cook this our potato till 15 minutes here. Okay. So maybe 15 minutes this will be cooked. Okay. That's why we have to cook till 15 minutes. Little water also put and cover, and we will cook till 15 minutes. Okay. So we put little water also. Okay. See. So now we cover this and have to cook till 15 minutes. Okay? After 15 minutes I will show you. And here our this oil I do heated. So we will fry our this capsicum here. Okay. So I already slice our capsicum and have to saute our capsicum. Okay. And when this will be ready, we will put here our this capsicum. So you have to saute proper. So we have to saute this one, and I will show you when this will be ready. Okay. So now 15 minutes finished. So we have to check our gravy, and also this our also done this capsicum. So we will put this capsicum here in our gravy. So first we have to check our gravy. Oh, this is already ready now. See the taste and also color. This should be done. This like potato. This should be done. Okay. So now we have to add our this here this our capsicum. You just put your capsicum here and have to cook more 10 minutes. Okay, cover and 10 minutes. We have to put our tomato paste also here. Okay, to give thickness to our gravy. So you put little this tomato paste. Okay. So this tomato paste is the purpose to give thickness to our gravy. Okay. So have to cook again 5 to 10 minutes, and we will show you when this will be done. Okay. So again I cover, so 10 minutes on low fire we have to cook this. When this will be done I will show you. Okay. Now this 10 minutes finished, we have to check our this gravy now. So wow, this is already done. So see the taste, and also this the is thickness also like this should be. So this is ready. So now we have to serve this. Okay, and I will show you. Okay, so you can eat with paratha or rice or whatever. Okay, it is ready to serve now. Okay, so this is the thickness and everything. See, this is the thickness is the very good of the gravy. So now this is ready to serve. So very good taste. So if you like this video, like and share to others also, because here in channel you found every informative video. So I hope you enjoy this recipe. If you have any query, please comment in comment box and tell to us if you need another video. So we will come with another informative video also. Till then, have a nice day. Take care. Allah Hafiz.